Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated electric handheld planers. Helping you refine your woodwork projects, planers are heavy-duty tools that either smoothen or even out the surface of your material. With a feed roller, this machine lunges its flattened board and puts it past the rotating cutter to remove the wood. If you decide to cut thinly as if you're shaving the surface, you can employ options with sharp and precisely angled blades, but if you're perfecting a project by creating thick slices, you'll enjoy the bets with a broad distance between the board's platform and cutter head. As the demand for portability and convenience arose, manufacturers stepped up their game by introducing planers that you can carry with one hand and store in narrow shelves and cabinets. To help you pick the most compatible choice, we're rounding up the 7 top-rated electric handheld planers. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the electric handheld planers that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first electric handheld planer in our list is a DEWALT Max brushless planer. If you're looking for an assistant that'll help you speed through your woodwork projects while still providing efficient results, the DEWALT Max brushless planer is the one for you. This item has a cordless body along with a 6.8-pound weight that you can carry around different sites without hassle. In terms of dimensions, it's 8 inches long, 6.94 inches wide, and 16 inches tall. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Max brushless planer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: brushless motor. With a brushless motor, this planer provides a strong performance even when working overtime, and it doesn't generate friction that might lead to overheating. It's 30,000 cuts per minute, allowing to complete projects quicker. This machine guarantees 30,000 cuts per minute with a maximum of 2 mm of depth per pass for fast removal. Calibrated depth adjustment knob. If you want to create a deeper or shallower cut with just one pass, you can calibrate your machine with a depth adjustment knob, which you can fine-tune from 3 mm to 0.10 mm. Precision machined aluminum shoes. To ensure that your slicing will be parallel, this product utilizes precision machined front and back aluminum shoes. Precision machined groove. If you're avoiding sharp-edged tables, cabinets, and drawers, you can easily achieve it with a precision machined groove that doubles as an edge chamfering tool. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the operation is quite loud. The second electric handheld planer in our list is the BOSCH woodworking handheld planer. If safety is your #1 priority, you can trust the BOSCH woodworking handheld planer to do the job. This option is the industry's first planer that employs a lock-in, lock-off feature that can avoid accidental startups in risky areas. You can also carry this product around conveniently with its weight of 6.3 pounds and a frame that's 7.25 inches long, 14.5 inches wide, and 17.5 inches tall. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BOSCH woodworking handheld planer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: ball joint cord swivel. You can hold this planer comfortably despite its heftiness with the ball joint cord swivel that aligns the positioning of the main body and cord. 16,500 revolutions per minute. This product has a 6.5 amp motor that produces 16,500 revolutions per minute for a fast removal rate that has a smooth finish. Aluminum front and rear. To help you create even and accurate cuts, this machine has aluminum front and rear shoes that create straight slices. Ejection control. Helping you direct your shaving to the left or right, this item has an ejection control that leads the board to your preferred area. Machine groove. This machine can help you chamfer rough, sharp, or uneven edges for soft surfaces that are safe for kids and pets. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the first few cuts are a bit hairy, so we recommend starting off with light passes and shallow calibration as well as testing it first on a trial wood. The third electric handheld planer in our list is the Porter Cable Hand Planer. Whether you're working with hard materials or polishing old and fragile wood, the Porter Cable Hand Planer will match your preferred planing conditions. This machine has a weight of 8.38 pounds, a length of 8.25 inches, a width of 7.75 inches, and a height of 14.63 inches. Out of the box, you're getting 2 carbide blades that can create sharp and precise cuts. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Porter Cable Hand Planer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 16,500 revolutions per minute. Making sure you'll have a smooth removal, this planer has a 6-amp heavy-duty motor operating at 16,500 revolutions per minute for maximum productivity. Dual-side dust extraction. Both of the sides of this item have dust extraction that can acquire the hairy fibers of wood to make sure your surface is clean and debris won't clog the device. 10 positive steps. To make sure your leveling is accurate to your preferences, you can use the 10 positive steps to channel the multiple depth control settings from 0 inches to 64 inches. 11.5-inch cast aluminum. To provide you with the added control, more precise cut, and a polished surface, this machine has an 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe that's flat and easy to maneuver. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the outer coating of the cord is a bit sticky right out of the box, so we recommend putting some powder on it to avoid getting caught up with your other tools. The fourth electric handheld planer on our list is the WEN Handheld Planer. Perfect for revamping the quality of your store-bought or old furniture, the WEN Handheld Planer will help you get rid of inconvenient splinters and misshapen edges. You can launch this machine in your cabinet easily with its space-saving dimensions of 7 inches in length and width and 12 inches in height with a portable weight of 7.68 pounds. Trusted ShopifyGuide.com has awarded the WEN Handheld Planer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 34,000 cuts per minute. The 6-amp motor of this planer has an output of 34,000 cutes per minute to help you complete projects fast and easy. 16 positive stops. To adjust the cut depth per pass, you can use the 16 positive stops that have increasing increments from 0 to 1/8 of an inch. Rabbiting option. If you'd like to piece wood together to create a precisely angled chair, table, cabinet, or drawer, you can do it with this item's rabbiting option that can cut 7 to 10 inches deep. Reversible dust chute. This machine comes with a dust bag attached at each side to work in tandem with a reversible chute that can change the directional aim with just one flick of the switch. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the chute clogs fairly quickly. The fifth electric handheld planer in our list is the JELLAS Power Electric Hand Planer. With an ergonomic handle, the JELLAS Power Electric Hand Planer is perfect for beginners who want a long-lasting option. This machine makes furniture renovation and timber processing easy with its 8-pound weight and an auxiliary handle that won't meddle with the calibration of your device. It also has a compact belt with a length of 6.89 inches, a width of 7.68 inches, and a height of 12.99 inches. Trusted ShopifyGuide.com has awarded the JELLAS Power Electric Hand Planer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: pure copper motor. This planer has a pure copper motor that guarantees 33,000 cuts per minute with its double-edged manganese carbide blades that create one slice every 8 inches to ensure maximum productivity. Reversible dust chute. The yellow sawdust bin allows you to change the direction of your outlet so you can hold the device better and even physically connect it to a trash bag or vacuum cleaner to speed up waste disposal. High precision and angle cuts. This machine has an Almere-grade aluminum flat bottom plate for leveling the surface and 3 chamfer grooves to angle the way you polish edges. Blade protector. Using the blade protector, you can avoid accidentally cutting your wood and other hazards by using a kickstand to keep the blade in place when not in use. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you'll have to make sure that you calibrate the blades first, since the default setup is quite uneven. The 6th electric handheld planer in our list is the Makita Cordless Handheld Planer. Being the best of both worlds, the Makita Cordless Handheld Planer has the speed and capacity of a corded planer with the portability of a cordless planer. It has an 18 lithium-ion battery that'll only take 40 minutes to charge and lasts for 2,000 charging cycles. In terms of dimensions, this product has a weight of 7.2 pounds and a body that's 8 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 14 inches tall. Trusted ShopifyGuide.com has awarded the Makita Cordless Handheld Planer a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: spring-loaded stand. To preserve the sharpness of the blade and avoid contact with staining materials, this planer has a spring-loaded stand that elevates the blades. 2-blade cutter head. The 2-blade cutter head and double-edged carbide will help you achieve a smooth finish that resembles a varnished wood. Precision machined aluminum. The base of this product is made of precision machined aluminum that creates precise slices with just one try. Ergonomic parts placement. The rubberized soft grips on the front and the tough rear shoes are centered ergonomically to provide an optimum balance that makes the machine stable yet easy to maneuver. Click depth adjustment knob. Allowing you to work with 0 to 64 cuts per 5 inches, this machine has an easy-to-read scale and a smooth adjustment knob that you can utilize with just one click. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the power may run out quickly if you're using it against denser wood. The 7th electric handheld planer in our list is a BOSCH cordless hand planer. For your electrical projects, including manipulation of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or an HVAC system, the BOSCH cordless hand planer will be your best friend. Its cordless design works with its 5.9-pound weight that you can easily position on the top, bottom, or sides of your space. In terms of size, this machine has a length of 7.25 inches, a width of 7.5 inches, and a height of 11.9 inches. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BOSCH cordless hand planer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: single blade design system. The single blade design system of this planer is electronically counterbalanced to make sure that you can work quickly without compensating the texture of your wood or going to uncomfortable positions to adjust the angle. Chip ejection switch. To effortlessly shift your direction while planing your wood, this machine has a chip ejection switch that you can direct to the left or right with just one click. Edge guide fence. To ensure that the texture and measure of your slicing remains consistent, this item utilizes an edge guide fence that you can lock in place or adjust the height of the cut. High performance motor. This machine has a fast cutting speed with fast removal and smooth output while maintaining power that can last for the whole afternoon. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, if you're working with a thick wood, the operation can get quite noisy. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated electric handheld planers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next electric handheld planer roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.